Sugared cranberry cold process soap making. Here's the colors we're working with today, folks.
The narration begins.
Soap
for the
dough,
fourth time.
cranberries covered in sugar, and the little, look at that the sparkle mix I made. It's so pretty.
All lovely colours then.
The smaller cranberries are melt and pour, actually.
You see, if you're wondering why I don't remember all the soaps she makes, because I occasionally stick my nose through the door. I don't go in there very often.
That's true.
So I have sort of like let her get on with it. I go and do my music, record, and then I come back and have a look where she's up to, but I do honestly forget.
I honestly forget some of the soaps I've made.
But when I see them, I go, yes, no, remember now.
We've added the lye water solution to the oils, and we're going to whizzy, let's get busy. Cause a lot of bubbles, because I need a new stick blender. And we are using today, from Windy Point Soap Supplies, orange cranberry fragrance oil, which is described as freshly squeezed oranges kissed with tart cranberry, a clean, crisp blend that is sure to awaken your senses. So, if ever you have a day where you cannot wake up, perhaps
smell some of that.
Cranberry soap will do the trick for you.
Yes, have a shower or a bath.
We're going to pour our piping off and put it to the side. Look at that drippy mess. I love it. And there goes our fragrance oil. This fragrance oil makes the batter a little darker. So let's see, we're probably going to add some TD to that. So there's our red. Trial by Fire from Nurture's Soap. And I think we're doing a chopstick swirl.
Yeah, I was going to say that. It's funny how the lye always looks the same before you put the colour in, doesn't it? It's like a pale beige.
Yes. There goes our TD. Let's get this back to white. So it's just going to be red into white. I think I used a little too much red in this one because the swirl is a bit crazy, but still a very nice soap and currently available at fruitsofaloon.com. Look how nice and white that is now. That's why I like that TD. It works.
Super bright. It's a lovely white colour, that.
Yeah.
That'd freshen your house up if you could paint it in it.
It's as white as the bowl. It really is a good titanium dioxide, oil soluble. Don't have to mix it with water. Just dump it in your batter and off you go. Love it. It's in the description below, by the way. So let's pour that white in there and simply drop the red. Swirly whirly, and take the chopstick to it, which I do too many times, which is why it doesn't quite turn out the way my chopstick swirls usually do. But who cares? It's a lovely soap. Do you like cranberries?
Cranberries, I love cranberries. I do love the cranberry juice.
Oh, me too.
Stuff, yeah.
I forgot about cranberry juice. I love cranberries with turkey and dressing on Thanksgiving and Christmas and all that, but I wouldn't eat them on their own. See, I swirled too much.com.
I've probably had cranberries in a cake, but I don't think I've ever had them in like a handful of fruit and cranberries.
Let's deal with the piping. There's a lot of walking around in the hallway behind us. Perhaps you can hear it. Look how white that is. The best TD I've ever freaking used. Costs a little bit more, but you get what you pay for. Anyway, let's see how we pipe this. Probably an open round tip and loose batter to get that nice sloppy delicious dessert looking piping. and possibly a red drizzle down the side of the piping bag.
That's right.
That would not surprise me. Let's
Anyway.
see. There we go.
Just another topic that we talk about a lot. We might have talked about it before on videos. Why is it certain things in different countries are called something different? Like, you know, for example, candy. Why is Cadbury's caramel called
Right.
caramilk?
Is that here or
Yeah,
in the
why
UK?
is Wonder Bar basically called a Star Bar in the UK?
Why
It's
is
like, why
candy?
do they do that?
Why
Yeah.
is candy called sweets?
Yeah, I mean, in the UK we have chocolate and we have sweets. In North America, candy means both, right?
Well, yeah, basically.
Yeah, and it's weird.
I mean, some people say sweets, but to describe everything.
Yeah, I was wondering why
Oh.
certain brands are called something different in a different country. Like, is it because people are different? They have a different
Oh,
language?
like
or-
your Walker's chips are actually owned by the same company we have here, which is
Lay's. Yeah.
Lay's. Ridiculous.
Frito Lay's.
I don't know. I think they do marketing research for names in different areas based on culture, and come
Well, it's
up
fun
with
for
it
me
that way.
because I've seen both sides of the pond, so I can tell what it is, and I think, oh, some things are exactly as they are.
Those are just cake sprinkles, by the way.
Yeah.
We're just gonna put like a beep load on there because they look pretty.
And all them colours complement each other again because they work perfectly.
And
And here's the lovely, lovely sprinkles.
this is my proprietary sparkle blend. That's silly. No, I did blend my own sparkle mix for this, and I like it. I like it a lot. Did I say this was available at fruitswillen.com, or was that the last video? I think I did.
That was the last video, and the video before that, and the video
Yeah, I
before
know.
that, and the video before that.
I
But
think
there's no
this
harm
is-
in keep repeating
This
it.
is the last one we have to narrate today, I do believe. Look see, I'm putting them on crooked, but I do, I
Anyway,
do straighten
people,
them out.
we've been promising now for months we're going to do an occasional, maybe once a week, a topical video, so you can see these people here talking as well as doing silly things. So look
Yeah.
out for that, and we'll keep you posted on it.
A little bit of fun. Why not? And there was a nice close-up. I got so batter on that one cranberry, it's going to drive me crazy. So, let's see what happened in here. Oh, it doesn't look too bad, eh?
And another work of art.
I like it. Smells delicious.
I've got a name for that. That's evolution art. That is stuff that you do that makes itself. Like, you don't control the pattern inside, and look at
No,
that.
I
It's different
don't.
every time. Evolution art. Maybe I've thought of a new trend.
Yes. So I only make 10 bars of each soap because obviously you keep up with what you sell, and that is the rate I'm selling at right now.
And if I'm not mistaken, I think we've got some new products in the pipeline.
Yes, you're right. I'm experimenting with the best shampoo and conditioner bars I can possibly make. Oh good, we have slivers left over. Thank you so much for joining us. We will see you next Saturday.
Usual
And
time, same place,
There's
same
a
time.
brace of soaps, and I'll see you at the website maybe.
Bye, bye, bye. Take care,
Hit
people.
that subscribe and notification bell button,
There
and
you
we'll
go.
see you on Saturday. See you on Saturday.